teacher, duty. Prefect of duty, Jordan.
Okay. Principal, deputy principal, teachers, TOD, and my fellow students. Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning once again.
Hi.
I'm Luis, Form 4 East, and I was on duty this week together with Macharia 3 West. You cooperated well this week. That's a great job. And as you all know, today is the cleaning day, and all classrooms are expected to be clean. Okay? Yeah. And if you're a boy there and you know your hairs are quite long, please come on the shield. If not, you know the consequences that follows. Okay? So with those many remarks, let us welcome our TOD, Mr. Kigoro, to say a word. Have a nice day.
Morning school.
Morning.
Mr. Kigoro. You know as well I am Mr. Kigoro. Please say, hii wiki the results are not encouraging. Exams imetokea. Kwanza, hebu kuja. Niliongea kuhusu indiscipline cases. Hapa. Umevaa tai?
It is because I want to tie my brains.
How can you tie your brain? Hii kwanza hizi vitu unatoa wapi? Hii nani amekufunza?
Mwalimu kwanza sikuogopi, nakupatia tu heshima.
Unajua utaendea mzazi wewe?
Mwalimu, usizoeane.
Unajua utaendea mzazi?
Sijui.
You see me after this. Sita waste time, lakini you see me after. Hebu rudi pale.
I have seen
You
you.
are form 4.
I have seen you, teacher.
When ni form 4?
No.
Yeah? Unaona hizo pembe? Nilikuwa na kadi kuliko hizo. Okay. Kitu kingine naweza sema kama vile prefect on duty ameongea kuhusu nywele. Wengine wanakaa maumau huku. So if I get you, I, Mr. Kigoro, I will deal with you perpendicularly. Kwa mnajua vizuri huwa na take languages. Kuna wenye huwa nafunza subject ya Kikuyu na Kiswahili. Lakini mnaongeaga Kikuyu kuandika hamjui. Mtu mwingine kama hapa huyu wa form for this data here. Namuuliza na mwandikia kwa mtihani. Hebu kwanza tutapatana kwa wewe niko na nini na wewe? Tutapatana. So for those few remarks, nita welcome our deputy. Aseme kitu.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
I want to thank you all for occupying prefect on duty and the teachers on duty. Regarding our exam, I'm not impressed with your performance. So next time, I want you to be serious with your studies, because some of you always waste time on eating. Did you come to school to eat? No. So know your purpose in school, okay? And regarding to this boy, I want to meet you after this assembly. Let us welcome our principal. 5 factorial. 5 factorial.
Morning school. Morning. I'm saying good morning school. Morning. What's your name? Huh? Come here. What's your name? After this, aende mzazi. 2 weeks suspension. Failure to that, come with your parents. Go back to the line. So, alafu, come here, to guys, come here. Hii ni nini? Hizi ni nini mmevaa? Ati? Stingo ni nani? Oh, what's wrong with the shirt? What's wrong with your shoes? Ati?
Because we want to pass up with the flying colors.
Sasa mnajiona mkikaje? Okay. After this, mwende mwoshe dining hall na choo tatu. Deal with them. So, I'm here to talk about the exams. Hamkufanya exam vizuri. Rachel, you have a B+. Clap for Rachel. What's your name? Stand up with the red sweater. Stand up. Stand up. Look at home. Auntie? Come on. Auntie. Mpeki pasa sauti. Auntie, uko home?
From one.
Oh, you are the one, the smart boy. Where are you smart? Where are you smart? Let's through your papers. E for 1. E. Ulikuja shule kukula? Ati come here, come here. Come here. Ati ulikuja shule kufanya nini?
Kukula.
Ulitoka na marks ngapi class 8?
80.
He is naughty too. We found him dancing to Success Card music.
Nani nimekuita hapa? Rudi kwa line.
I thought you should know.
Rudi huko. Ati? Ulitoka na marks ngapi class 8?
80.
Ati 8?
Na banana.
Kwani ulikuwa umeenda kusoma ABCD?
Hapo kodo.
Uniform iko poa lakini masomo hakuna.
Sijali hali ya maisha.
Mwalimu, give this boy revision materials, okay? Okay.
Clap for him for 80 marks.
Kitu ingine. Naona watu wamekuja shule na hujalipa school fees. Have you paid your school fees? Nilikufukuza Friday. Ulikuja na school fees? Yes. Give me your receipt. Nilikwambia 5,000, 2,000. Go. Enda nyumbani kuja na mzazi na pesa. So, wale mmeshika hii, please. After this, tupatane dining hall. Sijui gani, hata sijui. What are you going to do with them?
Kukula.
Tiku. You will plan for that. So, have a great week. As we start this new term, please, kindly, improve your results and your grades. Hamkukuja shule kukula. See Rachel, responsible girl. Let me stand up. Wow. Clap for her, clap for her. She's smart, even smart here. Good girl. I have a word for you, okay? See me at the office. Jioni. With that, sasa tunaenda kwa class. Cooperate. Have a great week.
Class.